Hello all, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. This is video number 22 on chapter 6 Data Analysis Made Easy. So in our last class we have learned how to calculate the sum and how to sort the data in LibreOffice Calc. The learning objective for today's class is to learn how to merge the cells and how to format the cells. So in the last class we have prepared this table. Now we are going to do our activity number 5, that is let's beautify the table. In your textbook page number 96, here see we can see a formatted and beautified table. Here the main title is given red in color. It is arranged at the center of that cells and that cells are merged together. You can see the borders and inner lines of this tables are very clearly visible. So this is very formatted and beautifully arranged table. So how can we make such changes to the table that we have prepared? First of all, we have to merge these cells in the first row, because we have only one title, the main title questionnaire consolidation there, and we have many cells in this first row. We can merge all these cells in first row into one. So how can we merge these cells? For that, first of all, we have to select the cells to be merged. Okay, now we have selected the cells. Now we have a tool here in the toolbar which is merge and center cells. Click on that. Now the cells in first row are merged together and the main title questionnaire consolidation is arranged or aligned at the center of that cell. In the similar manner, we can merge these cells and make the title quantity of vegetable produced arranged at the center of that cell. So first we have to select the cells to be merged, then click on this merge and center cells tool. Okay, now we have merged the cells and that title has been arranged at the center of that cell. Now in the textbook we can see that the main title is red in color and font size is little more bigger than the other entries in this table. So how to make such changes? How to change the font style, font size, font color? All these things you have already learned in your first chapter, that is in LibreOffice Writer. It is in the similar manner we can change the font style, font color, font size here in this LibreOffice Calc also. So first we can select the text. Now in order to change the font style, you can do it from this font name tool. Then in order to change the font size, we can select the required font size from here. Then we can make it bold by clicking on this bold tool. Then we can change the color from this font color tool. Now I am going to select red color. Okay, now we have merged the cells. Then we have arranged the title at the center. We have increased the font size and changed the font color of the main title. Now here the heading of certain columns are not visible. If there is border for each cell, it would be more beautiful. See the table given in our textbook. Here the borders and inner lines are clearly visible. It is very beautifully arranged and formatted. So how to make such changes in the table that we have prepared? For that, first we have to select the title cells. Okay, these are the cells which contains titles or headings. Then go to Format menu, select Cells. Then a window appears. From here select Alignment tab. Here we have to make changes in text alignment and text orientation and the properties. In text alignment, here we can select center. Here we can select middle. Then text orientation is 0 degree. Then in properties we have to give a tick or we have to check this wrap text automatically. Give a tick here. Then click on the OK button. Now the heading of all the columns are very clearly visible. Now we can make changes in the borders and lines of this table. For that we have to select the entire table. Okay, now we have selected all the cells in the table. Now again go to format menu. From that select cells. Then this window appears. Now select borders tab. Here we can see many line arrangements. First one is no borders. Second one is set outer borders only. Third is outer borders and horizontal lines. This one is set outer borders and inner lines. Then outer border without changing inner lines. From this we have to select this fourth option, that is set outer borders and all inner lines. Click on that. Now we can also make changes to the style, width and color of the line. Different styles are available. We can select the required style from this. Then width also we can change from here. Then we can also select the required color from here. So we can change the style, width and color of the borders and lines from here. After making all the changes, click on this OK button. Now we have given borders to all the selected cells. Now so after making all the changes, don't forget to save the file. So go to file menu. Then click on save. Now the changes will be saved. Okay, now let's summarize what we have learned in today's class. We have done our fifth activity, that is let's beautify the table. First of all, we have merged all the cells in first row that contains the main heading. After that, we have changed the font size and font color of the main heading. Then we have studied how to format the cells containing the heading. Also we have given the outer border and inner lines for the entire table. Now you have a homework. In a textbook, page number 100, in let's evaluate section, question number 1, a table is given which is to identify the cell address. So you have to fill that table as a homework in your notebook. So I hope all of you have understood the topics that we have discussed in today's class. See you next class. Bye.